Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're looking at this 55 T-Bird. Body's in nice shape, so is the paint. Looks like it's got relatively new wheels, or excuse me, new tires on it. Chrome's looking really sharp, and she fires up basically right away, which you guys will see in a stitched video here. But yeah, really quite straight. These T-Birds are cool cars. Appears to be a factory interior. It looks like it might be new carpeting because it looks pretty clean, and maybe some new upholstery here on the seat. Other than that, it's a really pretty car. So let's fire her up and then take it for a spin. We are on the open road. She's running really smooth. Steering feels pretty decent, so we do the brakes. She runs really strong. We got working RPMs, we got working speedo. Aha, I even have a working clock. No way, I was not expecting that. She's handling really nice. I mean, these are just such zippy little cars. They were meant to compete with the Corvettes back in the day. They actually used to spank the Corvettes, believe it or not. But yeah, she's running really, really strong, sounding really great. And I'm gonna go ahead though, make a Yui, and we'll get her back to the shop and on the lift.